Hello and welcome back to Suman's Academy. In today's video, we will be looking at making step-by-step guides with visuals for our students. Now creating step-by-step guides and sharing them with your students not only helps them before you have discussed something where they can look at something and then they have a point of reference. It also helps them after you have already explained something because it allows them to revisit that, review everything that was shared. Now in today's video, I am going to be using Snagit to create this in a matter of minutes. So let's get started. First thing you will have to do is think about how many steps and how many images you want to put in your guide. Now let us say that I am creating a visual guide for the student that are brand new to Google Drive. I have never used it before and want to show them how to create a folder as well. The first thing I will do is think about the step I want to highlight. First, I will need an image of Google Drive interference. I will need a second image which will be clicking on the new button, and the third image which will be the image of selecting folder, and final image 4 is where I rename the folder. Using Snagit, I am going to take an image of my Google Drive interference. We have our first image. Let us go back to our drive now. Let us click on that new button. We are going to take again an image. There we go. We need a third image, which is when I have created the folder. So here I am going to take my third image. Now we are going to rename this folder. That is, I am going to type new folder. And this is our final image. Okay, we now have our 4 images. So let us just have a quick look in our library, which is also a part of Snagit. At the bottom, we have our main interference. This is our first image. Next is we have clicked on new, and in the third image, we are going to create a folder, and in the fourth image, we have renamed our folder. So now let us clean up these images a little bit. So let us move back to our first image. Let us clean it. We don't need this interference. We are going to highlight new. So, okay, it is alright. Now let us clean the second image. We want only this part. Fine. Now let us clean up the third image. That is, we need only this part. Alright, this is our fourth image and we are going to highlight this part. So let me clean up. Now we are going to show directions how to create a new folder in Google Drive. So this is our first interference, and here we will draw an arrow over new. So let us click, and here we are going to create a new arrow highlighting new. Now let us come back to our second image. So this is our second image. Here we are going to highlight new folder. So let us do that. Now let us come back to our third image. So this is our third image with an untitled folder, and let us move back to our fourth image. That is, we have renamed this folder as my new folder, and here we are going to show an arrow over create. Perfect. Now we have our 4 images. Now how do we turn this to a visual manner with Snagit? Well, at top we have a create button. Just click on the arrow. Here you will get an option of image from template. Just click over there. Here you will get different types of template, that is 2 step, 3 steps, 4 step. Just choose one template that you like. So we are going to choose one template. So I'm going to choose this business block 4 steps portrait and then go to create. Now what we need to do is just drag and drop our images. So let us do that. This is our second one. This is our third one. And this is our fourth one. So as soon as you drag and drop the images will automatically fit into this template. Now let us add title over here, that is how to create a folder. How to create a folder in Google Drive. If you want to add more images, just click on this add button. You can add title, you can add more images. Also, you can add footer here. So according to your wish, you can add or remove the things from here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add a caption over here, that is the first image shows click on the new button. Now let us add the second caption, click on the folder. Let us add the third caption here, rename your folder. And now we are going to add our last caption here, that is click on the create button. So this is how we have added caption over here. Now the last part that we are going to do is we are going to add footer. That is, here it is written created by. Now we will write our channel's name, that is created by Suman's Academy. Now if you want to remove this, you can just delete it. I'm going to delete this part, and yes, now it is okay. So this is how it will look. 4 need screenshot, tilted up with arrows added and description. All good and well. So now let us save it. So for saving it, go to file and then save as. You can give the name, title, that is create a new folder. Here whatever you want, here it is in PNG format. If you want in PDF, you can keep it, or JPEG, you can keep it. I'm going to keep it as PDF and then save. So now let us check how our PDF looks like. So this is what we are going to open. So here we are, all neat, clean and tidy little guide. You can share with your students and the students can understand it very carefully with this visual guide. So I hope you found this helpful. In the meantime, thank you for watching. If you like this video, just like, comment, subscribe my channel and also press the notification bell to get further updates.